okay. There's no real issues to address with this body. I can't see any marks or dents or glue stains or anything of that nature. Mahogany body itself, we may need to do some grain filling, but as I said, it has had a sanding sealer applied, and that may suffice. Okay, otherwise, got our humbuckers. Got two of these, a neck and a bridge humbucker. Our tuners. Bridge and tailpiece. And their electrical components and hardware. So pickup selector, wiring and pots for volume and tone. Tone and volume knobs. Input jack, guitar strings, truss rod cover, and a selection of nuts and bolts that we'll need to put the guitar together. Okay, so our first job really from here